From the serene Himalayan valleys, where nature thrives in its purest form, emerges a new standard in luxury skincare. Introducing Varenya Elixir, a conscious blend of nature and science. Born from over 14 years of research and guided by ancient Ayurvedic wisdom, Varenya Elixir harnesses the power of saffron, phytonutrients, and potent vitamins to deliver transformative care for your skin and hair. Our philosophy is simple. Protect, nourish, and revive, guided by honesty, humanity, and a deep respect for the earth. Every product is crafted with precision and passion, combining natural, vegan, and sustainable ingredients with cutting-edge innovation to bring you results that redefine beauty. Varenya Elixir is more than skincare, it's a lifestyle of conscious indulgence. It's the promise of purity, efficacy, and sustainability in every drop. Discover the extraordinary, transform your beauty ritual with Varenya Elixir. Coming soon to redefine luxury skincare.